Right. Sorry about that. That was just my little brother. So, what I've done so far is just taken the cap off. But it's actually got time in it, don't really care. So next, you have to put the screws in all of them. Make sure the springs don't drop. Otherwise, you will make really simple. I think this is putting back together is all going to be in one episode. But it has to be under 15 minutes. Yeah. So like a 5-minute video. And then we're doing. Then this is going to be for the west bit. So, when you put all the screws in, it's basically screw by. Push it on the core and get your screwdriver and screw it non towards you, like so screw it that way. Like screw it forwards, not that way. Screw it towards. It's hard to explain. Screw it the way that it's not facing you. And you just reassemble the cube basically after this. Just put any centre cap on. But make sure you do the opposite one next. And opposite orange is red. And if any pieces are wrong when you reassemble it, you know probably if red is next to blue, but I don't know that. So if you do know that, just go ahead. Fix your Rubik's cube. Lee? So I'm really sorry about my little brother stopping the video. I heard this from. I am not rewatching that last video. So I don't know how it's going to look. Sorry for that. So let me put these on hard. Now see these springs? These make these turn. If you take the spring off, these won't turn. Pussy. It pushes down the smallest bit. Otherwise, when you turn it, it's going to be impossible to turn. You won't really be able to push down because it actually has to push up. But the world record biggest Rubik's Cube is a 22 by 22. It took 3 hours to do this checkerboard pattern, which I showed you at the start of this series. Yeah, and I'm planning to do some Minecraft series. These are up on the Xbox. Some TNT explosions of Minecraft as well. If you want any gaming, comment down below. We've done FIFA 15. I've done a bit on Minecraft, I think. A bit, not sure. I hope you enjoy my next videos. Still put very nicely. Every time you do this, it turns a lot nicer. So this is my second time doing it. Yeah, second time doing it. So my cube turns very, very nicely. And soon I'm going to do my first unboxing video, 2x2. It's coming this week. It'll probably be uploaded the same day. This thing uploads like a boss. It only takes like a 5-minute video takes 5 minutes to upload. And usually like for, let's say, an hour long video, it will usually take about 2.5 hours to upload, but mine just like takes pretty much the same time to videos, maybe even less, because iPad minis are the boss. So which is screw these all back in. There are 2 more. I might be getting an underwater camera. I can't record in swimming. I'll probably do a bath with my swimming trunks one day. But like, what I don't get is why I gonna get like to arrange something. I can do underwater things in a certain pool. And so first of all, to make sure the corners are in the right places, just basically pretend all the edge pieces are there, and then you know, put the corners in and see if it works, and just reassemble the cube. You don't have to screw them that tight, because your cube will swing better. So here's my cube. So you just have to go red and white. No, first of all, you have to check the corners. So here are all the pieces. Take all the edge pieces out. So my friends are watching this right now. Probably never allowed to say their names because they're on YouTube. Ruby, Brennan, I'm not sure who, like a few of my other friends. So got all the corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just put them in a separate part. So we go red, blue, and white. Yes. Green. That's right. And if it's messed up, you have to do it again. That's right. Hopefully this will be my first time getting it on right. Yellow, orange, blue, white, white, orange, yellow. Yes. Yellow. Right. Last 2 corners. Yeah. There. Right, all the pieces are right. Just put the edge pieces in. They're pretty much done. I'll probably doing some videos that are going to be 12 for Happy Wheel videos that are probably going to be for 12. So good people for that older for 12. Ask you know if you can watch Happy Wheels. This is a common game. Comment down below in the comment section if you want me to play any other games. Go over there to check out of some of the other videos because I do want to give a shout out to them. I have no idea who it is. On most of my videos are like bike versus somewhere over there. I believe I've still got cold. And you can just leave the corners in, the edges in. It won't take too long because I've done this multiple times. I've done it. I've uploaded 1 in 10 apps on YouTube. My ears are so blocked and I hate it. Lee, move! I don't like them. I am very fussy. Just stop it. That was close to popping. If it pops, just restart assembling it. Only have to stop the corners, but the edges will go in if the corners go in. Please stop it! If you touch the iPad with that, the iPad will break. Okay? Lee!
I won't. I won't do it. I won't
So
do
there's 3 more
it.
edges. Lee, stop it. No, go away. Go away. Lee, go away. Go on your phone. Lee, stop it, Lee. Lee, all the world can see this now. Okay? Do you want all the world, Lee? Lee, do you want all the world see you doing that?
Yeah.
Carry on doing it. He's totally embarrassed. Then you just put the corners in. Really easy. Hey, stop that. Do you want me to hit you?
No, thank you.
So don't hit me. You shut up.
Adam.
Just don't tell anyone. Don't bring the cops inside. It doesn't look like a cube. Well, I will show you. I will show you a trick at the end of the video. Why are you wiping it on my back? I don't want my back to be dirty. Thank you. Stop it! Mummy! Lee's being silly! Lee, go away, I'd rather push you.
I will push you and hit
Wait,
you
finished.
and kick you
Lee,
in your
And I'll
eye.
go
Did
do
you say you
jumping.
want to be a grown-up? Well, grown-ups aren't silly like that. Grown-ups. Why have you got your finger in your yoghurt? I'm going to lock the front door and bring the guinea pigs in for a little snuggle. I do feel sorry for
Wait, this is my... I'm just memorising it.